Baking soda is a white crystalline powder that is naturally basic with formula NaHCO3. It becomes activated to produce carbon dioxide when combined with an acidic ingredient and a liquid. On the other hand, baking powder is a complete leavening agent as it contains both base, which is sodium bicarbonate, and acid on the product to rise only on mixing it with a liquid. Since baking soda is basic and a strong raising agent, only a small quantity of it is required as compared to baking powder.